So guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to looking at VPN. Have you ever think about a VPN that you need with tons of features and free? And the main important factor in terms of looking at VPN is our privacy. Like there are VPNs that will record our logs, whatever we do online will be recorded by them. So it is not private. So you need to pay some money to the VPN provider to get great privacy or something like that. But in this video, we are gonna looking a best VPN that I found that is free and it's amazing and it's fast and it has no log policy. So let's begin. You can install this VPN on your Android mobile device or on your computer like in your Windows, and it's so simple to install on your Android device and in your Windows. But in this video we are going to install that particular VPN on our Kali Linux. So just open a browser and search for the VPN name Proton VPN. So I just found the Proton VPN is the best VPN and it has no log policy and it's free and it's cool. I love it. I've been using this and it's free and it has plans like this 1 month, 1 year, 2 year plans which offers additional capabilities. But here I am using this for free in my Linux machine. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate that. Why we use Proton VPN? It has no logs policy. As you can see, it does not keep any logs that can identify what you do online. And it has DNS and IPv6 leak protection, easy to use interface, P2P support, secure streaming based in Switzerland, strong encryption, VPN accelerator. And trust me guys, it's my personal experience. I just use this VPN and it's so fast and it's so free and it's cool. You can use this on your mobile phone or on your computer or on your Windows or on your Linux. So yeah, let's see how you can install it on your Linux machine. It's so simple to install on Windows machine. I know you will do it, but in Linux you have to click the download here and just need to move to Linux, and after that you can click install Proton VPN. Then you will see like this. Here you have to click the Debian genome. In that you can see the contents here, like download the package, contain the repository. Just copy this and just open your terminal in Linux and just paste it. After that you have to copy the second command, which is this install Proton VPN repository containing the app. So on your terminal you have to paste this and enter your Kali Linux password, and it will take some little time to get installed. So, and the final command that you need to run is this, which is to install the app and run. So just copy this. And guys, this VPN you need to create an account in this particular provider. So let it work, let it run. So instead, at that time, we can go to new tab and we can search for Proton VPN sign up. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up. You just need to search Proton VPN sign up free. If you search for Proton VPN sign up free, then you will see a page like this: free VPN to protect your privacy. Click that option, free VPN to protect your privacy. After that, you can see get Proton VPN free. Just click there and you can see get the deal and continue with free. You can click continue with free and you just need to create your account. Okay, I just have my account, so I'm not just creating a new one for me. So if you don't have an account, then you have to create it. So the third command that we need to enter is this 3 install app and run. So yeah, let's do this and let's press the Y button, and it's done and it's fast and it's cool. As you can see, it's now done, and here you can see an option for applications. You can search for Proton. So we got the Proton VPN installed on our Kali Linux. You have to sign up there in the browser. After that you can log in here. Okay, if you click here to create account, it will basically move to this pricing plan options. So you just don't need it, you just don't want to pay. If you want to pay, then it's okay, but if you don't want to pay, then you have to use this page that I mentioned before about creating account, creating account. As you can see, you just need to enter an email address to create your account, and that's it. I already have the account, so I just logged in, and this is the free version. As you can see, we can connect to Japan, Netherlands, and United States, and rest of them are not free. You have to upgrade, you have to pay some money for that. So yeah, how you can connect, just click the country that you want. It has limitations. It's free, right? But it's fast and it's good and it's privacy protected. And it's connecting now, as you can see, connecting to Japan, JP free #2, as you can see. So let it connect. After that, we can search, open a tab and search for what is my IP. You can search for your IP address. I think the characters or contents are changed. So now it's connecting to Japan, and it's like Japan. So now in Tokyo, Japan. So we just changed, but it's still connecting. Yeah, it's still connecting. Yeah, you're connected to Japan. So yeah, this is how you can install and configure this Proton VPN on your machine, on your Linux machine, and it's so cool VPN. And I hope you love this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.